Hey y'all, hey, I am super excited guys because my Mother's Day gift to myself came in the mail today. Came by way of Amazon. And let me tell you about the Amazon guy first before I even get started because, bruh, so I have the Ring outside of my door. I can see when somebody comes up to the door. I can hear when somebody rings the doorbell. Well, the Amazon guy did not ring the doorbell. He did not knock on the door. My son was home. And I just so happened to have been at one of my sister's house who lives around the corner. And I saw the Amazon guy. We were chatting for a minute. And then I was like, let me go and make sure I got my package. Lo and behold, my package was sitting on the step, not even close to the door. It was sitting towards the edge. Easily for somebody to come by and scoop it up. Like, bruh, do you know how much I paid for this? So, anyway, I had to spray the box down, let the box sit, open it up, spray the inside box down. And now I'm ready to show y'all my Mother's Day gift. I treated myself. I always treat myself for my birthday. I buy myself, well, birthday and Christmas, I kind of buy myself one big gift. And then Mother's Day, I buy myself another gift. So those are pretty much the 2 times that I actually treat myself. And so for Mother's Day, what I did with my stimulus check, I purchased a camera that had been on my bucket list. Not this particular camera was on my bucket list, but buying a professional camera was on my bucket list for like the last 2 years. And I just didn't buy it. I shoot my YouTube videos on my phone. I have an iPhone 11 now, but I had an iPhone 7S. It was working perfectly fine. I didn't have a problem with it. So I was like, hey, so with this camera, I just want to release some of the pressure off of my phone. I'll probably still use my phone because I'm very much adapted to it. Using a camera means now I actually have to use a computer to edit a video, which means I have to learn another software. On my phone, I could do that on the train. I could do that while I'm sitting at work at lunch, or whatever. But now I'm going to actually have to learn to use a software program to actually edit my video. So, to that part, but yay to the camera. So let's get into this box here. So I'll leave a link for the description down below to the box, which you'll find in my Amazon store shortly, of this camera. And it came with some extra stuff. So here's the box opening. So here we have, this must be the case for the camera case. And it has a side pocket. It has a loop here where I guess you could put a belt and put it on your what's it called, your pants. So if you're actively working, it's called Ritz Gear. Zoom photo pack, holds a compact DSLR up to 3.5 lens attached. So I'm sure this is stuffing on the inside. No stuffing, but it does have a, oh, and it's red, my favorite color. It does have a strap. All right, so we have that. I'm opening up the small stuff first. So here is a card reader, and it holds up to 64 gigs, plug and play. Easy to use, high speed, and that is by VidPro. Supports SD, micro SD, MS, and M2 cards. Supports Windows 7, 10, 2000. Great. I have to be careful because I just did my nails over. Item placement card. I don't know. These words are mixed up. It's like a scrambled thing. So let's open it up. It's like, it looks like it's 3 or 4 letters to a word. It says Polaroid on the front. This must be like an SD card wallet where you can put the SD cards, an SD card on the inside. So if you have more than one SD card. And here we have a tabletop tripod. I love it when they're easy to open. But this actually looks like it's been used. It's like scratched here. And you turn this and it rotates. Yeah, it rotates when you turn the orange button. And how do we open it? Oh, there we go. We just pull it open. But I like when my packages open easy. And then here we have the digital camera battery by Vivitar. So it's a Canon. It's a Canon camera. I don't understand why the battery is by Vivitar. I don't know. But it's a digital camera battery made out of lithium. And this is a 5-piece deluxe cleaning kit to clean, and even give you Q-tips, to clean your, it has Q-tips, it has the brush. Oh, it's like an airbrush. An airbrush, the wipey, some Q-tips, and a bottle with some stuff. Cleaning stuff, I'm sure. Cool. And that's by Ritz Gear as well. And so is the camera bag by Ritz Gear. And then, oh wait. Oh, it came with a SD card, 32 gig SD card, Lexar Professional. And yeah. All right, now, and then we have the Canon PowerShot SX540HS. Bam, let's get this joint open. It says it's 20.3 megapixels, 24 millimeters wide, times 50. Guess who doesn't know what that means? I don't. I just know I wanted a camera, but it says a zoom lens. And then they got some other numbers here. So, boom. I hope y'all can see this because the way I have my camera situated, I can't see. I can't see. Okay. So, see if we can do this without messing up my nails. We have the warranty. I need to fill that out. Oh, I forgot to fill out a warranty for something. My silhouette. I got to fill out the warranty for the silhouette. Then we have the getting started guide that I'm sure I won't read because I'm more of a demonstrative learner. I'm sure I'll go on YouTube and learn how to use this. So we have a strap, the strap for the camera, and then this is the battery charger. I know, yep, I knew that because I saw the video. And this is the battery. So I have 2 batteries. I have 2. Oh, I have an extra battery, a backup battery. Okay. And it says store the battery in a plastic bag to prevent short circuiting that might occur if it contacts or touches metal objects. I wonder if, okay, so that was there, and you flip it open and you charge it and you put the arrows should meet. And here is baby. I don't even know what I'm gonna name my camera yet. I'm hyped. I actually have a professional camera that has a lens cap. All right, so how do we... All right, so we turn it. Do I squeeze and pull? Nope, I just lift. All right, camera zoom lens, 50 times IS. Can you guys see that? I hope so. Then it has a whole bunch of numbers and stuff. The on and off button, I guess this will be over here, like the zoom and all that, or that might be the zoom. I don't know. We have to figure that out. There's a power button here. I'm sure that's what that is. And this is Wi-Fi. So that would be the Wi-Fi, the menu, the play button. And I just put lotion on my hands because my hands were super ashy. So I need to put the battery in so I can turn it on. Okay. Card, battery, open. Now hopefully they have some kind of charge in here already. Does it click? Leave it to me. Let's see. Can I just push it in? And hold on, guys. All right, I had the battery upside down. So the arrow to go in on the camera is different from the arrow to go in on the charger. So I had to look in it. And this is for, I guess, my my tripod to screw it in at the top here, if that's how I'm going to do it, but who knows. All right, so now that it is in, let's see if I could turn it on. Yep. So it's telling me to set, and the battery, I don't know if that red means it's about to go out. Yep. So the battery is not charged, and it's telling me to charge the battery. So I'm going to charge the battery, and then I'll come back. All right, guys, so I charged the battery until it turned green. And now it should be ready. Make sure I put this in right. All right, so when you put it in, this little thing is going to hold it in, and when you're ready to take it out, you just hit that brown button again. So it's in. I put my hands on the screen. I gotta get used to that. All right, so now let's turn it on. All right, so it's prompting me to put the date in. So the month is 5, the date is the 16th, 2020. What time is it due? I don't know why it's giving me all these other countries. All right, let's just stick to that. All right, so it's on now. It says no memory card because I did not put the memory card in yet, but I will. We have a menu button that gives you, oops, sorry, a menu button that gives you some settings here. And I guess you just go down. Yep, up and down. And it also has a Wi-Fi button. Oh, I'm wanting to call it what I want to call it, a touchscreen, but it's not. So this Wi-Fi will allow you to connect to various things. So I need the memory card to do that. So I'll probably set it up to connect to my phone so I can do some editing, maybe, possibly. All right, so that's the play button. We have a trash button. This here is your settings to go from, I think I made my screen too big. I did, that's the problem. Okay, there we go. So you can use these to turn different modes, which I'm gonna have to practice doing with the nails. And this is your flash here. And it has like two little things on the side, so you can lift it up. And all right, so I'm gonna take a quick pic of the box. And then that's it. It's doing all these changes. It says it can't record, but that is what we get. No memory card, boom. So once I put the memory card, it'll do more. Then we have the things for the straps. I'll definitely put that on. This is for my angle lens. Then we have some more buttons over here. And this is the handle. I have to get used to this because I'm so used to handling my phone. And then we have our lens. Over here we have our AV out digital and our HDMI socket. And where we can put the tripod. Again, that's the battery. Full HD. That is the speaker. I mean, that is the hearing part, I guess, where the sound comes out, or is that the actual speaker? Microphone. That's probably the actual microphone. Yeah, so that is it for the unboxing of this video. I will put the memory card in, take some shots, and I will try to add it to this video so that you guys can actually see how this works. Overall, I like the camera. It does come with an adapter that you can place your SD card in and attach to your computer, your Mac, or your Windows. And so that'll be how I go going forward, doing a voiceover via my computer. I like the way the video shoots and I like the way the pictures come out. So I think I'll keep this camera for a while. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. And until next time, see ya. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this video. And while you're here, check out some of my other videos as well.